How to clear cache on your laptop or your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can clear cache on your laptop or your PC. So there are basically three ways on how you can clear cache. So in this video, I'll talk about all three of the methods. So the first method is simply going to Windows plus R, and then this type of box will appear where you'll have to simply %temp and again %. Now once you've entered these, tap on the option enter, and then you will be taken to this page where all you have to do is simply tap on the option Ctrl A and then delete. Now simply skip the ones which can't be deleted, and as you can see, a lot of temporary files have been deleted. Now that is the first way on how you can clear cache on your laptop. The second method is also by going to Windows R, and then instead of %temp you'll have to simply type in temp. After that, hit enter. And the third method is by simply going to Windows R again and then typing in prefetch, prefetch. Now again, tap on the option enter, and then once you're taken to the files, simply select all and then delete them. So those were the three ways on how you can clear cache on your laptop. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.